ito, pupunta tayo sa ano guys, welcome to my channel. This is Filipino Raquel de Los Santos. For you to know how to go to channel, first open Chrome. Okay, so open Chrome guys. And if you're not signed in, make sure you are signed in to Google. Okay, so let's see if we are signed into Google. And we'll see. Okay, so hindi pa tayo naka-sign in guys, so let's sign in here. Okay, ayan siya. So I need to sign in my Google account guys. Okay, wait a moment. Ayan guys, gusto nyo bang malaman paano talaga mapuntahan natin if you want to know how to go to channel? So guys, what you need to do is already sign in, right? Before I said you need to sign into your Google account and you must be signed into your YouTube. So for you to so you must be sure that you type in the youtube.com. okay, that one. So you will go to youtube.com for you to able to go to channel. Okay, so first step guys, okay, first step is open the Google, right, and sign into your Google account. So that's what we did, and then sign into your it is automatic sign into your YouTube account. Okay, so you have to type, if it's not right written here, you have to type this word youtube.com. okay, this one. So after that, click the three dots. So guys, this one here, the three dots, you see that? This one, okay, the three dots, not this one, but this, not this, but beside with the small profile picture. Okay, you see that? So click this, and you have to go like there's new tab, new window, new incognito window, history, downloads, bookmarks, zoom, print, cast, find, more tools. So you edit settings, help, exit. So you have to type in click the more tools, and you see if you click the more tools, there is like save page as, clear browsing data, extension, task manager, developer tools. So here's the thing, click the extension. Okay, click the extension. Okay guys, click that. So once you click the extension, it will bring us to this browser. Okay, so it says extension there. You see the three lines here, click this three line here guys, this one. Okay, all right, so you see this extensions, keyboard. So you have to go to the bottom. At the bottom guys, you see this, click this one, open Chrome web store. So you see that guys. Okay, you're still in the extension, you click this bottom. Okay, click this, and now it brings you to the another browser, and it shows this. Okay, it shows this one, and you see the search, the store. So what you need to do is type in the word go to channel with no space. Okay, type in the word go to channel with no space. So what we do is go to channel. Okay, type the go to channel, there you go, and enter. Okay guys, this word enter here. If you're using computer, click the enter. Okay, so what will happen if it shows, so it shows here there's an avatar, go to channel. Okay, so that's how it look like guys. So you see this avatar, you click this avatar. When you click the avatar, you will see something change. Okay, the difference between this. Okay, so now you see the Google Chrome. Okay, we're still in the same browser guys. Okay, when you click the avatar, and you see the add to Chrome. Okay, click the add to Chrome guys. Okay, click the add to Chrome, click that. All right, and you see this add go to channel. Okay, don't click cancel, just observe add go to channel. It can read and change your data on all youtube.com sites. Okay, so add extension, click the add extension. Okay, there you go. So now we'll see where it brings us to the other browser. So now guys, you see this, okay? GoToChannel has been added to Chrome. Use this extension by clicking on this icon. Manage your extension by clicking extension in the tools menu. Okay, so it shows here guys, this one, okay, beside with the thing here, okay? So it shows that it's already in our Chrome. It's added to our Chrome, the GoToChannel. So GoToChannel, thank you for installing the GoToChannel. So guys, you need to know how to install the GoToChannel. So just follow the steps what I did, okay? And I will be writing it down below to the description. Just read the description below and read it carefully so that you will add the GoToChannel to your Chrome and you easily can connect for those channels you wanted to connect with. Okay? Easy. Very easy guys. Just do this and you will be added a GoToChannel to your Chrome. Or just close this one guys, okay? There you go. GoToChannel Chrome extension. So now GoToChannel is added. So what we need to do is just close this, okay? Close this. So please support my channel by subscribing below. Thanks, okay? That's it says. Alright, so close this, and close this, okay? So what we need to do is, I am in my home channel, right? So what we need to do is, let's go, by the way, if you are new to my channel, let's go to my channel, main channel, okay? So this is Filipina Raquel de Los Santos, guys. And if you're not connected to my channel, connect to my channel, subscribe, and click that join button if you are not member yet to my channel. So by the way, here's the thing. We need to test if that GoToChannel is working. So I will go to Bing Carbonell, okay, to her live streaming because she always have many friends we have that visiting her and enjoying with her during her live streaming. So let's go to her live streaming to test if the GoToChannel, see that, if it works on her for us to connect to other channels, okay, without dropping the links. Okay, so let's go guys. This is Bing Carbonell's channel. Okay guys, if you are not connected to her channel, just do subscribe to her channel. So let's go to her live streaming. So now she's now live. So let's make it silent because maybe she will have music. So what we need to do is wait until there is typing. Okay, you need to wait until there's new one typing. So there you go. This, you see, there's a green one. You click that name. She's dropping her link, but we'll have to wait another channel that is not dropping the link and to see if it's working. Okay, we'll just have to wait. For another channel that, you see, that means that it works guys, because you see that green under her name. Okay, don't click the message, just click the channel name for you to go to her channel. So I'm pretty sure Sheila Legaspi is not my friend. So let's connect. Okay, there you go. So now you see it brings us to her channel. So that's how easy guys, okay, when you install and added a GoToChannel. Okay, so this is just how easy for us to go to a channel. So let's go another. So I'm not going to connect to this channel yet. Okay, because let's test another. Let's find another live streaming for us to, maybe we'll search more friends who is live now that I've known. For example, wait a moment. like this, Cho Family TV. Okay, so let's go to Cho Family TV live streaming. So if you're not connected to Cho Family TV, connect to her channel, guys. Okay, so there you go. She have a quiet. Let's click that like, okay, because she's my friend. Let's wait if there's another people that's gonna comment to her live streaming. All right, we'll have to wait. Hang on. That's the thing is because this live streaming is on silent, so she's only showing the outside view. So moment, guys. Okay. Once there is someone, but it seems like it takes time for this channel. Let's move on to another channel that is, yeah. So we go back to Bing Carbonell channel because it seems like she have more friends that are live here, joining her live streaming. Okay, so you see this Yori, so it's all green, guys, because that means you already added the go to channel. You don't need to drop the link, guys, for sure. Okay, so just click this. Okay, Yori Bella. So there you go. It brings us to her channel. You don't need to drop a link. See how easy that is. So guys, thank you so much. So for you to know and how to go to channel, just watch this video of mine and you will learn something out of this video for sure, guys. Okay, step by step, I will write down the description below and you just read that description and easy for you to go to channel. No need to drop the link. Okay, so thank you, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, Filipino Raquel de los Santos. Bye. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and comment for this video and click the join notification bell and also the notification bell for you to be updated for more videos and new uploads and live streaming, guys. My live streaming is 3 to 6 p.m. Okay, so Filipino Raquel, guys. Okay, thank you so much. God bless us, everyone.